Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll take a look at which forms a taxpayer must use when reporting rental income, expenses, and losses. Generally, a taxpayer engaged in residential rental activity will fit into one of two categories: those who will use Form 1040 Schedule E and those who will use Form 1040 Schedule C. If a taxpayer rents buildings, rooms, or apartments and only provides basic services such as heat, light, and trash collection, he or she will normally report rental income and expenses using Schedule E, Part 1. The taxpayer may also need to fill out and attach one or more of the following forms: Form 6198, At-Risk Limitations; Form 8582, Passive Activity Loss Limitations; or Form 4562, Depreciation and Amortization. If a taxpayer provides substantial services as part of residential rental activities, he or she must generally use Schedule C to report. Substantial services are primarily for a tenant's convenience, for example, maid services, linen services, or food services.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.